It's hard to get good data about what businesses are open and where. As Australia faces unprecedented and prolonged economic crisis, this information becomes particularly critical for both policymakers and for businesses needing to connect to new customers online. To solve this problem, we propose the development of an open business directory as a new digital public service. Government, especially at the local level, often actually knows surprisingly little about businesses operating within their jurisdictions. Current business registration data from the federal government is useful for working out tax arrangements, but not so much for knowing if the local market is open, especially if the head office is in a different city entirely. Though there is data collated by third-party providers, this comes at a high cost, variable quality, and extremely restrictive terms of use. So, instead, to get this information, local authorities must conduct extensive and time-consuming census surveys every few years. Many smaller authorities don't even try. On the business side of the equation, maintaining a web presence is hard work, requiring businesses to enter and re-enter their shop locations, opening hours, specials, and events into multiple online repositories. Sometimes businesses are charged for the privilege, even whilst platform providers profit from resale of the data. In addition, verification procedures vary between platforms, sometimes making it hard to amend outdated, false, or misleading information. So, the solution is simple: an open business directory provided by government as a new public service via Open API. This is a critical piece of community digital infrastructure that will open the floodgates to further private and community sector innovation in the online promotion of local businesses and events. At the core of the service is simply a database, but one that has been cleverly designed to capture comprehensive information about on-the-ground public activities, both permanent and temporary. The schema has been designed using the most tried and tested elements of the famous open source mapping platform, OpenStreetMap, with additional care taken to ensure conformance with national addressing standards and council data standards. The data entry portal is a web-based system entirely constructed using pre-existing website components in the Australian government design system. Verified users will be identified through any of the multiple touchpoints between government, business, and community organizations, and at any level of government. A crowdsourced data stream will also be provided for the general community wishing to assist with information for the local recovery effort. Documentation is provided to enable bulk uploads. Extra efforts will be made to ensure the updates sent directly to the databases of major existing web mapping providers, whilst opening the doors for new, smaller local providers to build their own digital services to promote local business and events. We believe that this is a simple, feasible proposal to collect comprehensive baseline of local business activity data. Some level of ongoing resourcing and moderation would be required at the government level. However, these costs would be small compared to the huge number of resources that currently go into surveys undertaken at all levels of government to manually collate this data, whether for local government, planning, or economic development initiatives. There is a huge potential benefit to business too, who will be able to have their business promoted across the web linked to a single verified source. So, Australia, how about we take this chance to solve this mess and get ourselves an open business directory fit for the 21st century?